hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Beacons AI for a website. While Beacons AI is known by a lot of persons as one of the best link in bio platforms, it also has a feature that will allow you to create a stunning website even as a complete beginner. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to do that. The first thing you want to do after creating your Beacons AI account, which you can do for completely free as they offer a free forever plan that will allow you to add unlimited digital products that you can start selling right away. You can also set up unlimited appointments. You can also create and sell one course. The only thing with Beacons AI is they'll charge a 9% transaction fee from every sale that you make. Now, once you're signed up, you're going to tap on website from the left-hand menu option. After selecting website, you're going to tap on get started. Once you have selected get started, you can choose from one of their templates. So you can scroll down and you can see the different templates that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. All you'll need to do is tap on preview. Then you can see how it looks. Then tap on use template. After you have tapped on use template, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to edit your website. All you'll need to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit. Once you have done that, you can see on the right hand window right here, we could change the image or video by simply tapping on it. We could choose to upload an image or video, or we can choose one of the stock images if we want. You can also scroll down and you can edit the text. So you can change the text right there. You can change the text size if you want. So if you want it to be extra large, medium, or so on, you can do that right there. You can also scroll down and you could edit the subheading. And again, you could edit the subheading size. And when it comes on to the call to action button, from here you could edit the call to action text. You can also add in the URL that you would like to redirect persons to once they click on the button, as you can see right there. So you can do that right there. You can also tap on layout. So if you would like to change the layout, you can do that. You can select any one of these layouts, for example. So you could select this layout if you would like to change it to it, or you can scroll down and choose another layout option. But I like this one. You can also tap on design from the top right hand corner. And if you would like it to be dark, you could tap on dark right there and you can see how it looks. You can also change the text alignment and so on. Once everything is okay, all you'll need to do is tap on the X. Then from there, you can scroll down and you can continue editing. And to edit each section, all you have to do is tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, from there, you could tap on edit section and you will see a pop-up window appear on the right-hand column. Then we can tap on edit column 1. From here, you could edit the text as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you'd like a section or a word in the text to be clickable, all you'll need to do is select that text. So let's say, for example, this word right here, fuels, and then you'll tap on the link icon. Then from there, you can paste in the link that you'd like to redirect persons to and tap on continue. It is as easy as that. And when it comes on to the image, so let's say, for example, we were to go back, so we'll tap right here on design. We're going to go back. If we were to tap on column, you can see the different options right there that you can edit. So you can change the column layout. And if we were to tap on column 2, you can also make the image clickable by selecting the image, then tap on link. And from there, you can make the image clickable also if you want. And now to view the different pages, you'll tap on pages in the top left-hand corner. Then from there, you can see the different pages. But at the moment, we only have one page. If you'd like to add a page, you can tap on add page. Then from there, you can choose to either add an external page link by tapping on it. You can paste in the URL right there and the title, or we could tap on add page and we could add a blank page. After you have added your blank page, as you can see right there, you can tap on it, and this is our blank page right here. Now, once you have added a blank page, if you would like to edit it, again, you can simply tap on the section. Then from there, you can tap on add section from the top left-hand corner. And from here, you can see the different options. So if it is a case that you like to add a YouTube or TikTok video, you can do that. You can also add your Instagram feed, and you can also add a general MP4 video or so on. If you like to add content, you can simply tap on content right here. You can also collect emails, so you could tap on collect email, and from there you can see a subscription box has appeared. And if you like to add another section, you can do that. You can also sell your products, so you can tap right there and you can see the product section. So you can see that we have now added products right here. And again, if you like to edit that, you can do it from the right hand menu option. You could scroll down and tap on select products. Then from there, you can add any one of the products that you had uploaded earlier. So you can see the different products right there. And if you like to add another section, you can do that by tapping there. You could tap on content, and from there you can see a content section has been added. And it is as easy as that to set it up. Once everything is set up and to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on preview to see how it looks. And you can see how it looks right here. So this is how our sample website looks. And if we were to go back, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on publish, you will be provided with a free URL, and all you'll need to do is simply copy the URL, and then from there you will be able to share it. Or you can tap on view website and you can see how your website looks right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe